All right, today is July 28th. Yep. Oh, and it's about 3:25 p.m. in the afternoon. Yeah. And I'm at Queen Kapilani Regional Park. Yeah. I'm looking around. Yeah. Nice, beautiful everywhere. Nice day. So I thought it was gonna rain today, but it didn't. It just rained early in the morning in the mountains. So I figure I'll just walk. Alright, here we go. So, oh yeah, where are the ducks? Okay, you know. Oh, there's some swimming over there. Yeah, I can see them. Some are on the grass. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them there. Yeah, about 86, 87 degrees. Nice weather. Oh, pigeon. So I figure, oh, duck walking across. Yeah. Oh, they can fly too. Yeah. And that's the first time I seen them fly over here. So, yeah, just as I was coming in, I passed by Maguro spot, right? And there was no line, so I figured, okay, you know what? I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna eat poke bowl. Yeah. So I figure I'll park my car right here, Queen Kapilani Regional Park, one of my favorite spots to park, and then take a walk. Okay. So, for lots of local kids, this will be end of summer break almost. Yeah, ending of July. Yeah, coming out beautiful day. So yeah, yesterday when I was filming Vince's Cafe, right, that area, it's in the back area and lighting is, yeah. And I had the camera facing the light, so that was a mistake. Something I learned. All right. Yeah. Uh, Way out there, the sailboats and cargo ship. So kind of wondering, is it coming in or going out? Yeah. Alright. People are enjoying the ocean. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, so got some people, but not too many, right? It's not really full. Yeah, got some. No one's playing volleyball. That looks like a GoPro. Yeah, I wonder how it is. I never tried GoPro. Oh, he's filming himself, selfie video.
I saw that and I was like, I think I saw it first. And I was like,
Ooh, sun's coming out stronger. It's getting hot. Here's the wall. All these vacationers, yeah, enjoying the beach. Oh, okay.
yeah, it's possible to shoot.
Alright, well I'll give you a
Alright. There's still, pretty good amount of people coming to Hawaii. Not real packed on a beautiful day like this, yeah? But still, good amount coming. They got some e-bikes pretty fast. Passing by. Wow, no traffic, right? Alright. So here's a cafe that's open. Beach cafe. Yeah. Thai coffee. Oh, there's a McDonald's. So this is Liliuokalani Avenue. Alright. Wow, empty trolley. Alright, right up ahead is the Oahu Avenue, Hyatt Regency right there. Yeah, I figure I'm gonna go there, go over to, Maguro spot. Yeah, earlier passing by there was no line, so hopefully no line. So it seems like our cars are parked all around over here on the beach side. Wow. Racing. Yeah, e-bike going so fast. Very silent too, no noise. Alright. Okay, we're waiting on a traffic light right across from Hyatt Regency right here. Okay. So, no, not yet. But there's no cars, so everybody's crossing, so why not? Yeah. Yeah, right here is Hyatt Regency. Yeah. Okay. Surefire. Yeah, I gotta try one day there too. And then Leahi Bar and Grill there too. Alright, cross the street over. Okay, alright, we're gonna cross over right here. Okay, okay. Yeah. Alright, I'm on the other side on Honolulu Avenue. Yeah, heading over to Maguro spot. Oh, there's a lunch wagons right across. And go-karts. Got me barbecue right up ahead. There. And then, yeah, Royal Grove Hotel, right here. Alright. Whew, hot. Alright, and here's a Hanu barbecue. Yeah. Alright. And I'm looking. Yes, no line. Alright. Yeah. So, yeah, I made it. Yeah, right here is Kuhio Avenue. Alright. Okay, so thank you for watching.